Disabling two-factor authentication on TripAdvisor can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your TripAdvisor account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular updates.